Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burgers from Mince step by step. Start by measuring 500 g of mince, season with salt, pepper, and 1 tsp garlic powder, then mix gently until combined. Form 4 even patties, chill them 15 minutes, and preheat a pan to medium-high. Cook 3 minutes per side for a juicy center, rest 5 minutes before serving with buns and toppings now. Talk about texture and fat ratio. Aim for 80/20 for flavor and juiciness. Handle the meat lightly, mixing only until ingredients are distributed. Chill patties to hold shape, press a small dimple in the center to prevent doming, and use a hot skillet or grill to sear and lock in juices. Flip once, avoid pressing down, and assemble with warm buns and preferred toppings. Serve immediately for best texture and temperature. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. On another note, these burgers pair well with a cozy sock recommendation. Socks life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thank you for watching. Now let's get back to the video. I appreciate your support and hope this tip helps your kitchen adventures. Try variations like cheese-stuffed patties, mushroom and onion mixes, or spicy jalapeno additions for different flavor profiles. Use a thermometer to reach 71 degrees C for food safety or 63 degrees C for medium, then rest to redistribute juices. Toast buns for texture, warm sauces, and fresh toppings to balance richness. Consider serving with a simple salad or fries and adjust salt to taste before cooking. Enjoy sharing these burgers with family and friends.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.